Welcome to Math with Tan. Let's dive into a beautiful exponential challenge today. We are asked to find all real values of x that satisfy this equation. To solve any equation of this form, we must systematically examine three distinct mathematical cases. Case 1. The exponent is 0. Remember, any non-zero base raised to 0 equals 1. Setting the exponent to 0 and factoring the quadratic, we find two potential roots, x equals 2 and x equals 9. Case 2. The base is exactly 1. Since 1 to any power remains 1, this case is straightforward. We set the base to 1. Simplifying and factoring reveals our next two solutions, 4 and 7. Finally, Case 3. The base is -1. For this to work, the exponent must be an even integer. Solving for a base of -1, we get x equals 5 and x equals 6. But wait, we must check the parity. Placing these back into the exponent, both yield -12. Since -12 is an even integer, both 5 and 6 are valid solutions. In conclusion, we have successfully found 6 real solutions for this equation. The full solution set is 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. Mathematics is truly visual. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Math with Tan for more insights.